Thank you for buying MAXCLENZ. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. When you open the box, you will find 5 things inside. First is the spray bottle. Second is our MAXCLENZ solution. Third is the dusting cloth. And the other 2 are the microfiber cloth. To prepare the perfect solution, take 5 ml of MAXCLENZ solution and pour it into 100 ml of water. Make sure that the solution is mixed perfectly. Shake it a bit before you use it. Before applying the solution, you need to remove the dust from your car. Take the dust cloth and remove all kinds of unnecessary dust lying on your car. To remove stain and hard marks, spray the MAXCLENZ solution and wait for 10 seconds. Our chemical will react with the mark and help it eradicate from the surface. Now just wipe it off easy and clean. You can use it anywhere on your car. Doorknobs, handles, windshield, back mirror, rims, etc. Our chemical is non-corrosive, which will give your car an extra shine after you clean it. Just 10 minutes of your leisure activity with your car can give it a brand new look. You can use our discount coupons available on our official website, Amazon and Flipkart.